Hi, my name is Caitlin Birchenshaw and I'm the Curriculum Leader for Maths at Lambeth Academy. I'm going to spend a few minutes talking to you about the Maths GCSE that your child will sit at the end of Year 11. If you have any questions or you would like to arrange a phone call with me or your child's maths teacher, please feel free to email me using the email address on the screen, cbirchenshaw@lambeth-academy.org. All students at Lambeth Academy will sit the Edexcel Maths GCSE. This is split into two tiers, the higher tier and the foundation tier. On the higher tier, students can get grades 3 to 9, and on the foundation tier, they can get grades 1 to 5. This year, Miss Otham, mine and Miss Yang's class will be sitting the higher tier GCSE, whilst Miss O'Regan, Mr Mitzi and Mr Slight's classes will be sitting the foundation tier GCSE. Which set your child is in, and therefore which tier of GCSE they will sit, will be reviewed after every set of mock examinations. On both tiers, the students will sit 3 papers. The first paper will be a non-calculator paper, and the second and third papers will be calculator papers. All of the papers will be worth the same amount of marks, and any topic can be assessed on any of the 3 papers. There are 3 main ways you can support your child to be successful in their Maths GCSE. First, you can ensure that they are doing their written homework and their homework on our online learning platform, Hegarty Maths, every week. Second, you can test them on their formulae. And third, you can ensure that they have the correct equipment for their exams. Written homework for maths will be set every Thursday and due the following Thursday. This will normally be exam questions based on what the students have been learning in class to allow them to consolidate their understanding of the topics. This will either be done on a sheet or in their homework books, and it will always be available on Show My Homework. Every student at Lambeth Academy has an account on Hegarty Maths. We expect all students to complete a minimum of 2 hours per week on Hegarty Maths. They will be set tasks by their teacher to complete every week for homework, and they are also expected to complete 3 memory tasks per week, which will give them a selection of questions on a range of topics they have previously learned. We have also given students a revision checklist for their Maths GCSE, and this is linked to Hegarty tasks. We recommend that the students work through this list and search for the topics and the tasks on Hegarty and seek additional support from their teacher if they are struggling with any topic. They also begin every maths lesson with a memory platform. You can see an example of what this might look like on the screen now. You can see that at the top of each question it says the topic, so for example the first one is ratio, and then it says HM 332 to 334. That stands for Hegarty Maths 332 to 334. We recommend to the students that if they have found the question difficult in the memory platform, one of the best things they can do to develop their understanding and make sure they're successful in their Maths GCSE is go home and look up that topic on Hegarty. So they can use the search bar at the top of the screen on Hegarty, and all they need to do is type in the clip number, so for example 332 for ratio. They will then be taken to a video and a follow-up quiz, which is based on the same learning as the question that they have struggled with. This allows them to do really personalised learning and make sure they address their individual weaknesses to make sure they're successful in their GCSE. These are the formulae that the students are required to know for their GCSE, and it is important that they memorise them. We encourage the students to make flashcards for these formulae and regularly self-quiz to ensure that they know them. You could help them with this by testing them on the formulae at home. This formulae sheet is available in the revision pack that they were given at the end of half term by Mr Rung and Mr Rowe. Finally, this is the equipment that your child needs for their Maths GCSE. Please ensure that your child has this equipment so that they can access lessons effectively in school and complete really high quality revision at home. Thank you so much for your ongoing support with your child's Maths GCSE. Please contact me using the email address provided if you have any questions or you would like to arrange a phone call with me or your child's maths teacher. I know by working together we can ensure that all students at Lambeth Academy achieve their potential in their Maths GCSE. Thank you.